Today I am at Banda railway station. I'll show you what are the things available, what are the facilities, and to which stations or what are the trains are available here. And some thing is available here at Bhuragarh Kila, Nawab Tank, and Bambeshwar Mandir. So here it welcomes us, and let's come at this point. Here the PET bottle machine is there, but it's not working. Automatic ticket vending machine is there, but I don't think it's working. And here the board is there that provides what and where it is available. Here it is ticket window. Reservation counter is also there, and normal ticket also available here, so it can be obtained here. And baby feeding room is there. That is the good facility for the woman, but it is not in a good shape. People are waiting here also. The fare list is given here, and the station's name are there, and against that the price list is available here. So now let's come to platform number 1. Here it is inquiry room. This is one shop. So now we have come to platform number 1. Let's go in one side. Some officers' room is there. Here you can find a complaint registers. Wheelchair is available here for free of cost. If anybody want, you can contact the police. Higher class waiting room is there. So let's see what other things are available here. Here it is a clock room where you can deposit your luggage. So I think this side it is in. It is RPF post also here. So let's go back and show you something else. Let's go to upper class waiting room. So this is the waiting room, upper class waiting room. Bathroom is there. Toilets are clean. So I am coming out of higher class waiting room and going other side. This is the platform number 1, and another side what you can see is the platform number 2. Something is written here about Banda station. बांदा के नदी के किनारे बसा हुआ एक प्राचीन नगर है. वेदों में वर्णित कालिंजर तपोभूमि सिर्फ 58 किलोमीटर दूर है. So this is in Bundelkhand. So lot of things are written about Banda here. And now I'll show you the general waiting room. How is in that in shape. This is the shape. Chairs are installed here. Some people are waiting, and dustbin is placed here. It is a big waiting room. toilets and bathrooms are available for both gents, the male and female, but it is very dirty. You see, this is the bathroom. It's a very dirty bathroom. This is closed. Another one is the ladies' toilet, so I can't show you. Now you can see here the I am explaining for where you can get the trains from here. Matond, Kabrai, Mahoba, Charkhari, Kulpahar, Belatal, Harpalpur, Mauranipur, and major stations I am speaking: Orchha, Lalitpur, Bhopal, Idarshi, Mumbai CST, Gwalior, Murena, Agra, Raja Ki Mandi, Mathura. So there are many places where the train goes, and the rent list is also printed over here. In the first floor there is a retiring room also. So if somebody wants, I don't know what is the condition of this, but if anybody wants, they can check it out. So many vendors are there. Here water bottles are available, mineral water bottle, and normal drinking water also available. So if somebody wants, they can take it. Bathroom is also there, general bathroom, water filter is there. Handicap toilet is also there, and purified water vending machine is there. And separately there is a toilet for males and females. This is one of the outlet for general eating items. So foot over bridge is also here for going to this one platform number 2. One side stairs are there, another side slope is there. So I think this is all about Banda, this railway station. So Banda, this railway station, this basically the railway link starts from Manikpur and it goes towards Jhansi and Gwalior also. There are 2 trains for Delhi from here. One or two I think from Mumbai also. So this is all I think. So I'm closing this video for Banda railway station. I hope you have got the information that you desired about the condition and the trains and the facilities available at Banda railway station.